pathological liars. We're going to start the scene with the narrator first.
I know. Look on.
One thing we know for sure, we are far from finished with this location. In this haunted house in upstate South Carolina, the shadows of history passing in the halls. Unseen hands reach out to welcome you.
I was eaten with the western borders of the forest.
Michelle Visage today.
Oh, well, you know you're supposed to be portraying a woman.
Oh, yes, I know. This is going to be a little difficult for me, but...
And he listens. And that's all I ever wanted. Just someone to listen. Someone to hear me.
Judge Berman pays me back something that...
Repeat. Clear down. Left, right, left. Right, left. Awesome. Cool. Next up. Repeat. Clear down. Left, right, left. Right, left. Awesome. Cool. Next up.
There was next to no physical evidence to help us try and link the potential suspect.
The exhumation was no more disappointing than chasing down.
With the beautiful sculptural positioning of his five bodies, and then the front eyes, and also the little cable coming out, just another little touch. The first time we've ever seen him use not only his skill, but his sense of humor and his imagination all in tandem. It bothered me that he brought out the paper. He didn't use the feet. It's a little bit flat, bringing that little bit of shape.
Evie Odlin, you, my dear, are a freak. And you're safe.
Thank you.
Sugar cane. Tonight, sugar don't bite. I'm sorry, my dear, but you are up for elimination.
Now, I would even give her Miss Congeniality with the crime.
You what?
I would have to pick Eureka. She's fucking fierce.
Monique?
I see everybody black in Aquarius.
Into my love, so I really wanted it to be quite live
lively and playful and fun, because that's exactly why I listen to that one. Whenever I feel down, I always listen to that song.
Take off my makeup with me. We gotta get this beautiful flower crown out in this veil. I'm literally living my Nicki Minaj fantasy with this wig. Take these contacts out. There's one. Oh, there's two. Get these gems off. These eyelashes are massive. This is so pretty, I don't want to take it off. Here we go. Oh, depression. Like seriously, please appreciate the detail on this neck. Thanks for watching. What's up you guys? I'm gonna attempt to take this makeup off. Let's appreciate it one more time. Okay, so lashes I guess. Oh, this is already not going well. What? Ow! Okay, let's get this off. I literally made this out of hot glue and put everything on it. Yeah, this probably took me like 2 hours to make. Try to get some of these gems off. And now we start wiping. There's definitely a bunch of glitter in my eye. Gotta get this side. This lipstick is actually edible glitter stuck to lip gloss. This is not my hair. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Of course, it is time to take this off again. This is Capricorn from the Zodiac signs gone bad. Capricorn, yes. I was improvising the whole time, but honestly, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. First, I'm gonna go wash my hand because I can't touch anything with it. Now I got these horns on Amazon and I honestly love them. My hair is so messy. Back to the good stuff. Ah, liquid latex literally, ow, makes everything better. There's so many better ways to remove this, but I'm just so lazy. I just rip everything off. Oh. Nice. No more lashes. No, I just look crazy. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And that's it. Have a great day, you guys.
Ow, that hurt. I recommend to not pull these things off. Oh.
You've been talking about it all day. You're so cute. Go forward. I wanted to fondle me. Okay, yeah, all right. Obama's calling you. Okay.
The joys of rushing, because I've got plans tonight, and I need to be there now.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the Zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. Ah, my skin can breathe. Contacts are off and that is it.
Take off my makeup with me, scary robot edition. All right, let's take this contact out. Oh. Oh. Well, this should be fun. Ah. I need 2 hands for this one. My eye's literally crying. I'm gonna take some makeup melt. Please don't get in my eye. Please don't get in my eye. I'm gonna go shower and get the glue out of my eyebrows. Take off my makeup with me, half Halloween, half Christmas edition. I don't know which holiday I like better. I feel like since I'm a makeup artist, I should like Halloween better. Like, I feel like makeup artist on Halloween is like werewolves on the full moon. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, basically, that's when we're thriving. This is depressing. I guess I could have done this first. Oh, wow. I had one, eyelash on. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Grr. Let me get these contacts out. I can see. This is gonna hurt. I have never gotten that off in one try before. Like, I'm actually shocked. Now I'm gonna spray some makeup melt and rub that in. This is definitely gonna stain my face. Now I'm taking my makeup towel and wiping that off. I'm only slightly stained pink. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Orbeez edition. All the Orbeez are already sliding off. Don't ask me why I did this because I don't really have a good reason. I just like Orbeez. Okay, here we go. Let's get the nose up. Ooh, this feels so weird. Oh, it's in my mouth. My face really do be shiny though. It's literally in my ear. I wish I just had an Orby face all the time. Okay, let's get this side. Ooh. It's down my neck too. Okay, well, now I have Orbeez everywhere and my face is really sticky, but thanks for watching. Follow for more.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the Zodiac Signs Gone Bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. No physical pain, just emotional. Oh my god. I broke a flower. Literally. How does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face so clean. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, you guessed it. It is time to take this off again. Let's start with the neck. I don't know why, but taking latex off of my neck always hurts more than my face. There we go. It wasn't too bad. Now the face. It's dangerously close to my hair, but it's not in my hair. I don't know how that happened. Nice. There's a little piece by my eyebrow. Yeah. Can't forget the lashes. The glitter that is on me will never leave me for the rest of my life, but I will attempt to take it off in a shower.